Welcome to Semmering, where winter transforms the Austrian Alps into a quiet snow-covered paradise. Just a short walk from Semmering Bahnhof, the mountains open into a network of scenic winter trails, surrounded by pine forests and crisp alpine air. This is one of Austria's most accessible alpine destinations, yet it still feels untouched and peaceful. Winter hiking here is not about speed. It's about slowing down. Every step crunches softly in the snow, and the silence is broken only by the wind through the trees. During Christmas season, the landscape feels almost magical, as if time itself has slowed. Semmering offers an alpine experience that is perfect for beginners and experienced hikers alike, even in winter conditions. This is nature at its most calming, raw, and beautiful. Semmering is famous for its well-marked winter hiking trails, many of which follow historic alpine paths and viewpoints. Popular routes lead through forested ridges and open clearings, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding Alps and valleys below. On clear days, the contrast between white snow and dark green forests is stunning. Winter hiking here is safe when done responsibly. Sturdy waterproof boots, warm layers, and traction aids are recommended, as temperatures can change quickly. Many trails are maintained even in winter, making Semmering ideal for travelers who want alpine scenery without extreme conditions. What makes hiking here special is the balance, challenging enough to feel adventurous, yet peaceful enough to reconnect with nature. It's a place where the Alps feel welcoming, not intimidating. As you hike through the snowy landscapes of Semmering, every viewpoint feels rewarding. The fresh mountain air, the sound of snow underfoot, and the wide alpine panoramas create an experience that stays with you long after the hike ends. This is not just a winter walk, it's a moment of connection with the Alps. Semmering proves that you don't need extreme altitude or long travel times to experience true alpine winter magic. Easily reachable by train from Vienna, it's perfect for day trips, slow travel, and winter photography. If you enjoyed this winter hiking journey in the Austrian Alps, please like the video, follow, and subscribe to ShutterbuginNorway for more immersive travel stories, cinematic landscapes, and unforgettable outdoor adventures. See you on the next trail.